What is up, Mecha Nuts? Gun Plybro here. And today we got the first Master Grade unboxing in a long time. Master Grade Destiny Gundam from Gundam Seed Destiny. Now, I don't really have much to say about this kit. I don't even know what compelled me to buy it. I just saw it, I was like, yeah, I want that. That sounds good. So I bought it. It's an older kit. And I really like that it comes with a action base. You'll see it better when we actually unbox it. So here we fucking go. Now, here's the box art. Very cool. Cool art. Definitely poster worthy, you know, if you want to hang that up on your wall. Very cool. Now, on the side we have the same art. And on this side we have all the tiny details and gimmicks of the kit. Uniframe, the pilot figures, decals, and that action base, man. It's a cool action base. On this side we have all of its option parts, the various hands that come with the kit, all kitted out, and its back. The articulation of the wings. And on this side we have the same as on the other side. Nothing too special there. Now, let's open her up and see what's inside. There we go. Here we have the multicolored A-Runner. This seems to be foot parts, miscellaneous trim, and the beam effects. I'm gonna assume this is for the eyes. We have, looks like torso pieces right here, and I can't recognize anything else except for the V-fin, which is huge. It's a huge V-fin, but that seems to be all. Next runner. Here we have a bunch of inner frame, it seems. We have some manipulators, some closed hand manipulators, and I'm not really sure what a lot of the other stuff is supposed to be. This is obviously supposed to be for the feed. Yeah, I don't really recognize anything else here. I have no right idea what this is supposed to be, but it looks like this is for like a rifle or a sword or something. This piece here looks like it's for a sword or a beam saber or something. We'll find out when we build it, right? Once again, we have another runner. This is H here. I'm not sure what the hell I'm looking at. Looks like another saber or something. Once again, no idea. And here we have a runner full of polycaps. There's a lot of polycaps here I've never seen before. Considering this is my second Master Grade, that is to be expected. But yeah, cool. Whatever. Polycaps. Here we have G-Runner. And this appears to be wing parts. Parts of the wings. So that's cool. I do not recognize a lot of the parts here, except for this rifle here. And this is probably for the wings, but I'm not sure. But this is J-Runner. And it's another small, simple runner with parts I don't necessarily understand. But yeah, that's it. And here we have VYRA, and it is obviously for the chest. There's something about this, like, you know, side of the torso. I'm not too familiar with this particular mobile suit, so I don't know what most of this could be besides the chest and probably some armor. So that's that. Here is F-Runner, and it appears to be wing parts, and only wing parts. So cool. This is E-Runner, and I'm gonna say that these are all wing and armor pieces, miscellaneous armor pieces. I'm not sure where they go. That's that. This is D-Runner. D-Runner. And it appears to be miscellaneous armor pieces. Looks like leg pieces right here. Joint caps here. And I guess the ankle armor here. But I don't recognize anything else on here. We have some inner frame here. And I must say, I like the detail. Very beautiful. Very nice. At the very least, some mechanical aspects here. I'm not sure how they're gonna work together, but sure is inner frame in here. One thing I must say is I really like the quality of this plastic. It's really like heavy and solid. Here we have C-Runner. This is a really interesting color here. It's like the original Gundam colors. It's like this greenish gray plastic. I like it. What's weird is we have 2 pilot figures here. I'm guessing there's 2 optional builds for this mobile suit, and you can tailor each one to each pilot. Not sure. We have the head here, the helmet. I see the face mask. We have the seated pilot. I love pilot figures. But this is the shield, obviously. But other than that, I really don't see much here that's worth talking about. This must be for the beam saber, I guess. I don't know. We'll find out. Next runner. Here we have M-Runner. And it's more inner frame. Once again, very richly detailed. The little pilot seat. I like it. But that's it for M-Runner. Very cool. I love inner frames. And finally, we have the N-Runner, which is very cool action base for this kit. I really like the design here. I wish more action bases, I wish the normal action bases had cool flourishes like this. Like, I know you can get specialty ones, but those tend to be Bandai and they're very expensive, so it's very nice to see a Master Grade come with a action base. If you ask me, and this is just my opinion, all Master Grades should come with an action base. It's like $5 Bandai. I don't think anyone's gonna complain about that. I want to paint this action base at the very least. I don't know if I'm gonna paint the kit, but I might want to paint the action base. Comment down below what colors you think I should use on this action base, because I don't really have a plan here. I just like the idea of doing it. So let me know. I'll look through your suggestions and I'll do what I think might be the coolest. But honestly, I have no idea right now. I am not sure what this is. I do not know what it goes to. I'm gonna guess it's for the shield or something. Here we have a sheet of peel and stick decals. Not as much as I thought there'd be. Honestly, it's a pretty small sheet. A very interesting little sheet here. It appears to be dry transfers. Next we have some color correcting stickers for the eyes and cameras and vents, I guess. I'm not sure what these are. And my favorite part of any unboxing is the manual. I saw someone comment on Twitter that it'd be cool if the manuals of Gunpla looked like the manual of the original Gundam, and wouldn't you know that the actual older manuals do look like the manual for the original RX-78 Gundam. And in here is typical manual stuff, lots of nice illustrations. No color illustrations so far though, very strange. All of the instructions here are in Japanese. This is a very old kit. Yeah. And here we have some full color photos of not even necessarily the kit. Some of these are just like 3D renders of the kit. That's weird. Haven't seen that. Here is a shot of it from the anime. Here it is posed up on the action base. How to attach the action base, I suppose. Cool. Showing you some of the inner frame. Attaches open and stuff. It's taking a kneel. That's a weird picture. Some of the moving armor gimmick. Again, posed up on the action base. The wings articulation. What am I looking at here? What are they doing to his crotch? I don't know. And the color guide for painting this kit and its miniature pilot figures. I know so little about this, I don't even know who the pilot of this Gundam is called. I think it's Kira. Here's the nice decal placement chart. I always love looking at this. But this one isn't in color, which is a shame. I like it when they're in color, man. Like, what am I looking at right here, you know? Where is decal supposed to go? It's all black and white. It's kind of lame. I don't like it. And here is a full color photo of the kit. Very cool. I like it. And that is all, guys. That's it for the unboxing. If you like the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. The best is yet to come. Gunpla, bro. Out.